Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If your Roku TV is stuck on a black screen, no picture, maybe sound works, or it's completely dead, don't panic. This is one of the most common Roku issues, and today I'm walking you through 10 step-by-step fixes that solve it for most people. We'll start with the easiest ones and move to more advanced. Let's get your TV back up and running. Hit that like button if this helps, and subscribe for more tech fixes. Step 1. Check your input source. This is the number one reason for black screens. Grab your Roku remote or TV buttons and press the input/source button repeatedly. Cycle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. until you hit the correct one for your Roku interface. Many times it's just set to the wrong input. On screen text, press input cycle HDMI ports. Step 2. Test basic power button response. Press the power button on the TV itself, not the remote. Does the standby light come on or change? If the TV powers on but screen stays black, keep going. If nothing happens, move to the next step. Step 3. Full power cycle reset. This fixes 60 to 70% of black screen glitches. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet, not just the power strip. Wait at least 60 seconds, better yet, 2 to 5 minutes, to drain residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. On screen, unplug 2+ minutes plug-in and power on. Many viewers say this alone brings the picture back. Step 4. Secret Roku restart sequence. No menu needed. If you can hear sound or the TV partially responds, try this famous combo on your remote. Press home button 5 times, then up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. The TV should restart automatically. Text overlay. Home X5 up X1 rewind X2 FF X2. This reboots the system and often clears software hangs. Step 5. Check all cables and connections. Make sure the power cord is secure and not damaged. If using external devices, cable box, soundbar, unplug HDMI cables, wait 30 seconds and reconnect firmly. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. Swap cables if possible. Bad HDMI is a sneaky culprit. Step 6. Test different power outlet. Plug the TV into another wall outlet or a known working socket. Sometimes the issue is a faulty outlet or power surge protector. If it works elsewhere, your original outlet might be the problem. Step 7. Backlight flashlight test. Diagnose hardware. In a dark room, shine a bright flashlight directly at the screen while the TV is on. You hear sound or remote responds. Can you faintly see the Roku home screen or shadows? If yes, it's likely a backlight failure, common on TCL/Hisense Roku TVs. If no image at all, skip to software resets. Step 8. System restart from settings, if picture returns briefly. If you get a picture even for a second, go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart. Or check Settings, Display Type and set to Auto Detect, or try a lower resolution. Also adjust backlight/brightness if it's set to 0. Step 9. Factory reset as a last software resort. If nothing else works and you can access the menu, or use physical button settings system, advanced system settings, factory reset. Confirm and let it wipe everything. This returns to fresh setup. No remote/menu? Find the small reset pinhole on the back/bottom of the TV. Use a paper clip. Hold it while plugging in power. Keep holding 15 to 30 seconds until the light flashes. This forces a factory reset. Step 10. When to get help or consider hardware repair. If none of these work, especially if the flashlight test showed faint images, it's probably failed LED backlights, power board, or T-Con board. Search your exact model plus backlight strips for DIY videos, costs $30 to $60, or contact Roku support/your warranty provider. TCL, Hisense, and on Roku TVs often have 1-year coverage. There you have it, 10 steps to fix almost any Roku TV black screen error. Start from step 1 and work down. Drop a comment. Which step fixed yours? Or what model Roku TV do you have? Thanks for watching. Smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. See you in the next video.